Summer days rushing by you and me makes it harder to see underneath. Did we ever know? Did we ever know? Did we ever know? Is it all inside of my head? Maybe you still think I don't care, but all I need is you. Yeah, you know it's true. Yeah, you know it's true. Forget about where we are and let go. We're so close. If you don't know where to start, just hold on and don't run. No, we're looking back, we mess around, but that was then, and this is now. All we need to love, to hold on.
Adik ka talaga.
Okay, when taxi not walking. It is not walking. Broken out lang.
Can you say it? Libre. This is not.
Hello everyone, this is Hannah and together with my team, welcome aboard to the Pacific, making first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Taipei, Taiwan. In command of the aircraft is Captain Randstad, assisted by First Officer Christian De Leon and First Officer Kelvin Persola. Our flight time is approximately 1 hour and 50 minutes.
禁止使用手机通话，本航班禁止吸烟。菲律宾民航条例禁止使用电子烟及所有吸烟或烟雾吸入及排放装置。如果电池过热，请停止使用您的手持装置，包括所有由锂电池或充电器供电的手持装置。
I do not speak Taiwanese. Pizza.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye daw kuya. Soplado naman.
Ingat po.
Yeah.
Bye. Salamat. Ingat po kayo.
어느 날 그대와 함께한 시간들 햇살 속에 반짝이는 거리에서
Welcome back to Baitan. Oh, parking. Parking na. Parking. Just shut your test.
Kuya,
Just shut your test.
just eat more, no shopping.
I'll try.
Is naman sa susi naman yung daddy ko. Where to eat, dad? Babe, where to eat? Where to eat? Ano nga?
Hindi mo na mabangit pa.
Ano nga?
Haba ng bias mo. Clark, tingin ka dun. May payong pamilya.
Basahin mo na. What does it says? Ay! Kamandarin eh. Joke.
It's like a princess. I thought it was like a princess.
Ayun o. In rock formation kasi, yung landscape nyo, with landscape, you know.
You know. Yun na.
Ayun yung sikat diyan. Sa landscape yan, no. Kasi nga, sinerve siya ng future, no? Panahon.
This looks like a snake.
Okay, dalawa. Okay, dalawa. Smile.
Pawis na ako.
Papawis ko na. Baba naman yan.
I'm thirsty.
Later. Nagets mo ba? No, 1, 2. Ha? Yan mo na. 1, 2. What's your budol for today?
This one and where's the penguin? Ito. Okay, small. Ding 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 ding.
Dalawang lang. Say about your trip today,
Thank you.
and it's tiring but yet so wonderful.
Say cheese!
Mama, mama, mama.
Pagod na ako. Pagod na. Ari. Medyo pain ako, Joy.
Binayaran mo to?
Hindi pa. Hindi na.
Kano ba? 2 ba?
100. No, 1 bag na.
1 ba lang?
Nice.
Dalawang to parang walang asawa yan. Uy, hintay kayo. What is that? Frog? Sabi? Smile kayo dito dalawa. Smile ng pagod na.
Oo, kaya.
So, dali, nagbibideo nga ako eh. O, daddy. Ayan. O, ito takot. Ayan siya. Hawak-hawak po siya. Saka ka magpapapicture ka na po. Picture ka.
Dito. Hindi na ako makaliko kanina eh.
Kaya.
Oh.
Eh.
Picture mo yung ano?
Hindi. Hindi ko na ano yung simula. Bakas lang. Purple. Purple orange. What is that?
This is photo, diba?
Purple. Exam. Daddy, that's yours. What will it do? I hope what? Hi. Alright. Have a good study. What is that? Hi. Get good grades.
Get 100 in every exam.
Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Get perfect. You can get more ink here. Perfect. Exam? Exam?
Oh!
Grades? What was that? You can just continue.
It was C.
Just erase.
Yeah, that's how you erase, okay? Perfect what? Perfect. Perfect what? A score, okay. Scores, okay. How about good health? B. Exam, okay na. Okay. Okay, that's good. Keep. Keep our family healthy. No coaching, please, mommy. Healthy.
Tama-tama, 308 oh. 308.
Healthy. Yay! Ako naman, alam mo, si Clark. Ano? Ang haba naman ng letter mo na hindi ko din mabasa. Char. For generations. Okay. Okay.
How?
Hold.
Hold.
It's better to use spray. Okay, I hope.
We have to wait.
Apat ko yun.
Future.
Pinuto ko na pala.
I told you. My future. Dito na lang. Okay na yan. Sige, okay
Ay,
na.
meron pa daw nga
I hope my future. Sige na. I hope my future is great. Okay. Okay, my turn. Okay.
Anong gusto mong ano? Career.
Okay na yan. Natanong ko na sa...
Oo. For good things. For money. Yellow. Yellow. Good fortune. Kabila. So, yan. Ito mo, ilalagay yan. Mahihin kay Mami 100.
Ay, picture ng mom card.
Picture mo siya na.
Picture ng Mikey.
May dapat. Wala ako, magsusolo bed ka. Magsusolo bed ka na.
So if you're now sleeping, if you're both now sleeping, I can wake you up by jumping on your bed.
May jumping at you. Tuwang-tuwa si Kulit, oh. Wala. Close mo lang yan. Sige na.